All right, time for some moments of truth here. We'll fire up the tractor, hop down, start the PTO, trip the knotters, see if anything explodes. Nothing explodes. We'll back the truck up. I've got some loose hay in the back of the truck. We'll back it up. I'll fork some of that hay on in here and trip the knotters and see if we can tie a bale. So, scary moments here. First step, we'll engage the PTO and watch this thing cycle. Throw some hay in this thing. The knotter on the there on the left side, right side tying. It's tying a knot, it's just not wiping off. And so I just got a little bit more work to do, a little fine tuning. But the upside of it is I welded together those needles for the upside of it is I was able to weld together those needles, repair them, and they're ready to go. They're actually functioning really pretty much like they're supposed to. I can't say it's running much worse than it was before. Those knotters always give me fits. And so with those knotters always giving me trouble like that, I think that I'm just this close. These are interesting balers. They're early balers, and boy, if you look at some more modern balers, you can really tell the difference in the complexity of the knotter assemblies. These knotters are far more complex than modern balers are, but as it sits right now, look at that good knot right there. I say we've got a good knot on here. They just didn't not wiping off, or maybe not a good knot. Little bit of a mess. Guys, I'm calling this a win, okay? I'll get this knotter sorted out, and I'll have this thing out there baling hay tomorrow. So I'm pretty happy about all this, guys. Oh, look at that. This got out of position. So yeah, I'm going to have this bad boy in the field by tomorrow, and I'll be baling up hay again. So I'm actually pretty happy about this. It's been a lot of work. It's been a long day. I'm tired. I'm hot. I still got to go probably rake my alfalfa field tonight before I call it a day. But this is close, guys. This is a win. Happy day. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, I just got to show you this. Very next bale after I adjusted the sweeper. That sweeper got loose on me. I think I won, guys. Good day. Alright guys, I think this will be probably video number 4 in this series about my repair of my Massey Ferguson Model 12 baler. It's time for good grief. It's time for some field work. Let's see how this thing does out in the field. I'm pretty confident it's going to do pretty well. I've got some wet bales in the chamber right now, so the first bale or two might not tie quite right. But we're going to give it a shot. We're going to try to bale up this little field I have going on here. And we're just going to see how this thing operates now that I've, now that I broke it, fixed it, and tried to make it run just as good, if not a little bit better than before.